Hi everyone, my name is Anuj Jindal and today we are going to talk about government schemes, the acronyms which have been created by the government in the past 4 years, and they're going to be very important for your upcoming examination of RBI. Last year also we had a lot of acronym based questions, and so I thought that it's very important that we come out with one video or one set of video where all the acronyms are discussed at one place so that you find it easier to remember them. So let's start. We are already done with A and B. C. Cooperative and competitive federalism. The purpose is to improve center state relations through teamwork. You must have read about cooperative as well as competitive federalism. In economic survey, it has been mentioned, and I have discussed it in the economic survey videos. Climate change to climate justice. Need for change in focus in environment debate. So the purpose is not just to focus on climate change but to do justice to our climate. So that is the purpose, and that is why this beautiful acronym. Creative India, Innovative India aims at a new national intellectual property rights policy in order to strengthen the IPR laws in India. Digital India aims to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Three Ds, the Ds are important: democracy, demography, and demand. To make a comment on India's advantage over other countries. So, we have a democracy, we have a young demography, and we have a lot of domestic demand in the economy. DPUM, Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. It is another department that has been created specifically for the purpose of disinvestment in India. Divyang, very important, people with extraordinary capabilities instead of Viklang, handicapped. So the purpose is to change the culture towards handicapped people in India by terming them as extraordinary people with extraordinary capabilities, because in reality those people might not have some physical or mental capability that other normal people have, but they also at the same time have some extraordinary capabilities which nobody has. DigiLocker, Government of India's secure cloud-based platform for storage, sharing and verification of documents and certificates for paperless governance. The purpose is to create a digital locker which can store a lot of documents and certificates of students from schools as well as colleges. Deep is important: discovery of efficient electricity price. The purpose is to encourage e-bidding web portal for electricity distribution. Digidhan, an event to promote digital transactions. Disha, Digital Saksharta Abhiyan. The purpose is to make people more literate about digital mission in India, about digital expansion in India. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, One India, Best India. E-Kranti, this is important, digitizing the delivery of government services. E-boat, solar powered boats on River Ganga at Varanasi, very important. River Ganga area Varanasi. ENAM, Electronic National Agricultural Market, you must have read or heard about it. E-Pace, project appraisals and continuing announcements, very important, very little people know about it. An online portal for monitoring progress of national highways across India. eBasta, to make school books accessible in digital form as ebooks, another important one. Three E's, very important: enterprise, earning, and empowerment. The motive behind Mudra Bank. So, this is something that is very tricky, can be asked in the examination. EPI, every person is important, the new VIP. Evergreen Revolution, sustained increase in agricultural production, wherein Green Revolution brought in sudden spike in agricultural production, but also had a lot of downsides to it, like no climate resilience and monoculture. Evergreen Revolution is meant to upcome to overcome those problems or those challenges of Green Revolution. Some questions: which of the following are not components of 3Ds given by the government? Democracy, demography, and demand. These were the three elements given under 3Ds. So digital and disinvestment are not one of them. Our answer is 3D and E. Which of the following are not components of 3Es? Enterprise, earning, and empowerment were the elements. Electricity and evergreen revolution are not one of them. But very tricky here if you don't remember it. So the answer is again 3D and E are not components. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide your feedback in the comment section below. There's a new tab in my YouTube channel which is called as YouTube Community, where you can connect with me on a real-time basis, and I will start providing daily quizzes on YouTube itself, so that you can come there instead of going on different platforms. You can come to YouTube and take part in those daily quizzes. They'll be held in a specific time frame, and I'll be putting that on my YouTube channel. You can also join the Facebook group that we have, which is called as Success RBI 2018. You can also join my Telegram group named after the same, Success RBI, where I provide daily quizzes of both phase 1 as well as phase 2. You can also download the Infinity app that I have, and in that app you can take quizzes as well as free PDFs of phase 1 as well as phase 2 material.